हो गया, चलो ठीक है बस। जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। फंक्शन टॉपिक हमने जो शुरू किया हुआ है उसका एक्सरसाइज 2C का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ए पार्ट में इनवर्स और उसकी डोमेन ऑफ इनवर्स अब हमने फाइंड करनी है। लास्ट टाइम भी हमने ये फाइंड किया था इनवर्स फंक्शन की डोमेन एंड रेंज किस तरह फाइंड करें, इसको जरा और थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करते हैं। लाइक I have told you, you have to read this one as such that is the x is the function of this one. And we have to write it in the equation form first. We have my target to get the f inverse x object, then we will put the inverse, only change the variable. Inverse means opposite variable. This is the inverse. We have to find the domain of f inverse in B part. The formula what I have told you, the domain of f inverse is equal to range of f. Directly we cannot find the inverse of domain and inverse of range. They are equal to its reciprocal. Domain is equal to range and range of inverse is equal to domain of f. Now in this question, the domain is given to us x greater than or equal to 2. If I will keep 5 over 2 in place of x1, I will get 1. It's mean the value of my range f of x is 1. So I will write the answer domain of f inverse is less than or equal to 1. It's mean the line will go till 1. That is the range. Range is the y value. Now there is another question number 4. Here is a cubic function is given to us. And I have posted in Google Classroom the worksheet. In the weekend, please, you have to solve this worksheet and send it to me. For x greater than or equal to 0. Now make x as a subject. Now how to remove square? By taking square root to both sides. Here there is a cube root. When we have to remove cube root, we take cube root to both sides. Four cube. I have taken this one to the other side to make x as a subject. Now we'll put inverse. That is my inverse x inverse this one. We have to find the range of this one. The domain of f inverse is equal to the range of f. Now here then function, it is given to us, the value is -4. The function is f of x is equal to x plus 1 cube minus 4. Now, in this case, my domain is greater than or equal to 0. So I will keep x0 here. One minus 4 is minus 3. So the answer overall, we will write domain of f inverse is greater than or equal to minus 3. It means the curve will take the turn at minus 3. It's a cubic curve, so that's why it stands for takes the turn at minus 3. One more question, I will do question number 7. In this case, we have to find the range of f and whether we have to prove the inverse is possible or not. G. We have to find the range of this equation. First, convert it into the completing the square method. Nine. So the range would be equal to minus 9. Whatever the constant value it over here would be the range. Now in the second part, I have to prove that state with a reason whether f has an inverse or not. For the sake of this one, what I have told you, it is equal to y. Y is equal to x square minus 6x, is f of x is equal to, actually it is the value of y. You have to construct the table just like x, y. Take the negative value first. 0, 1, 2. Keep the value here. If you will keep minus 2, we'll get 4 plus 6 to the 12, 16 comes. If you will keep minus 1 here, plus 6, 7. If you will keep 0, you'll get 0. If you will put 1, you will get minus 5. Put 2, minus 8. Keep 3, 9 minus 18. Minus 11. When you will keep the value, you are observing nothing, you will get the change. 16 minus 8. If you will keep the value turn by turn, if the value of y repeats, just like the value of y repeats at when I have kept x is equal to 4, inverse is not possible. Because inverse, the definition is here, range cannot be repeated. If it repeats, it is not one-to-one function. Now the reason we will write, it is not one-to-one function, so inverse is not possible. This is a test to make, you have to make a table, and if the value of y repeats, it means it is not one-to-one function. This is the 1 marks question, Cambridge always asks it. Now, students, at the weekend, you have to attempt the worksheet. 2 worksheets I have posted in the Google Classroom. Try to attempt maximum question. Where you will find a problem, just email or text me at the WhatsApp group. We will inshallah discuss on Monday again the same thing. If you will find no problem at all, then I will start the next thing. Okay, Allah Hafiz.